Nothing will go terribly in the science factory today. Sorry, hold on a second. Anyways. Giant bird! Giant bird!
The guard just got murdered. What do you think about that? Identical twin of the guy who just got murdered?
Tragic stuff. We should probably get out of here. The car's behind that door. We should probably open it.
Oh God.
What?
I accidentally hit the play projector button. We'll have to watch the whole thing.
Okay.
Birds are the perfect killers, perfectly unassuming, but you'd be shocked to know what things that birds have caused. Total evil. The Hindenburg? A bird. Santa? Killed by a bird. Stalin? X-rays have shown that it was all a bird. Now imagine if you took this unbridled evil and supersized it. That is what we are looking to do with Project 4/5.
I feel like I'm in the night.
Of the attack?
Of the revenge.
Of the evil birds?
Yeah. Of the nature.
Of the nature.
The nature.
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 No keys. Oh, Jesus, no! 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 This was all a dream. Nothing matters. Writers deserve to get paid even less.